Good day everyone. My name is Rainyanti binti Daman and my metric number is 264832. So I'm going to tell you guys about the applications of data mining in criminal investigations. So first of all, what is data mining? Data mining is also known as knowledge acquisitions, knowledge discovery, knowledge extraction, information discovery, and information harvesting. So what does data mining do? It is the process of extracting, structuring, and organizing knowledge from one source, usually human experts, so it can be used in software such as an expert system. Now, what is criminal investigations? It is the process to seek the methods, motive, and identities of criminals and prove the guilt of a criminal. Do you know how many types of crime we have? In these presentations, I'm going to tell you 4 types of crime. That is, first, traffic crime, such as while driving, being alcoholic, property and life destroyed by accidents. Second, frauds, like identity deception, forgery, embezzlement, transactional money laundering. Third, violent crime, such as attacker having weapons during robbery, criminal homicide, assaults, and terrorism. And fourth, the cybercrime, such as illegal trading, theft of confidential information, and internet frauds. Criminal investigations can be done by evidence preservation, interviewing, record collections, electronic discovery, forensic anthropology, investigations and search warrants, email trace, criminal forensics, and intelligence gathering. So what does data mining do in this field? Okay, so there are several data mining techniques, but I'm going to tell you 3 techniques only. So first is the decision tree. It is a tree-like structure to demonstrate the flow of data where testing over the attributes is performed at each node and on the basis of condition correctly labeled objects, and used to detect suspicious mails and provide accuracy in classifying emails. Second, the entity extraction. It is the process of identifying the particular patterns so that they provide basic information for the crime analysis, used to extract valuable information of person address, time, vehicle, gender, crime type, personal property, suspect description relevant to particular cases automatically. It is the process to identify the potential suspects. And the third is the intelligent agent. It is a computing agent which performs tasks autonomously. Agents monitor and identify the real-time response and generate alert message through emails and instant message. When deformities are encountered, then agents deliver message to alert the criminal investigators. It increases the efficiency and accuracy in criminal investigations. Conclusions. All intelligence agencies should apply data mining in their process of criminal investigations, which will help in cost reductions, faster and better decisions making. So that's all from me. I hope you get the message. Okay, thank you.